So what I use is a small screwdriver to pry on the switch and this to lift the tab. So in here you can see when you're pushing on the switch, small screwdriver start pulling the bottom of the switch out, and that's how you get it. That's how you get the bottom of the ignition switch to release. Okay, change the camera and come around the front. Okay, we're going after this bottom release. We want to push it up by pushing in here and prying up. I have a screwdriver to start the bottom of the ignition switch out. There, like that. Don't go insane trying to just take it out. You got to get the top release loose as well. Get this in, work it. And there you have it. And there it's out. Then you can pop the connector off, pop the new one on, and pop the new one in just that quick. If you've never taken the side panel off before, you'll know, you may not know, but you need to put the throttle clear forward to get the side panel off. Just don't forget to reset it before you go to start it, or it's going to be on wide open. Okay, thanks for watching my video.